Hello, welcome back to Keegzys Toolshed. On today's episode, we're joined by my best friend in the whole world, Stanley. He's a good sort, and we're going to be unboxing Stanley's 41-piece socket set. Sockets are great tools, and if you unbox them, they're even more useful. So let's do that. Okay, I'll start by using a knife to cut through the plastic. Yellow boxes such as this one are fantastic for safety. If you leave them lying around the house, you're not going to stub your toes on them and injure yourself because they're nice and brightly coloured, good for safety. So we've got the slide out box, which is one where it's just cardboard that slides out of there. Nice hard Stanley case. The features on today's tool: lots of numbers. We're seeing a lot of numbers on the box. 738 7161 X38 75mm 12.6. Very mathematical tool. I'll probably throw out all the ones that aren't in metric measurements because I only work with millimeters. Eye protection should be worn, not for people under 18 years of age. That's funny, my apprentice uses them and he's only 16, but I won't tell it on him. Yeah, Stanley, Black & Decker, stanleytools.com, just a bit of fine print, won't bore you with it. This other box is even more boring because the only thing on it is the word Stanley. So that just reinforcing what the company is that made these tools. This box has a latch. We haven't dealt with any latches yet on Keegzys Toolshed unboxing. So that's a latch, folks. It's pretty handy. So you can shut it and shake it about. It's not going to spill all over. This seems to be a bit of a mouse pad with a picture of the ratchet and socket set on it. So when you're at the computer YouTubing up Keegzys Toolshed, you can run your mouse over that sweetheart. Beauty. Alright, so I was about to grab the ratchet out of this box here, but couldn't because there's a invisible shield. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, but there's an invisible piece of plastic that protects all of their sockets from being touched prematurely. So I've removed that. There's the set. You've got a ratchet, a screwdriver, and all of the 41 sockets. Now, here's a trick I learned in the garden. I'll let you in on a secret. Take a regular, ordinary garden pot. Obviously, the plant has been taken out and eaten, and you'll have these holes in it from when the plant was there. What I do with any metal, tools, objects, money, coins, sockets, you get them out. I keep them in pots like this. Ice cream containers are good too. You put holes in the bottom of an ice cream container by stabbing it. Now, I'll show you in a moment why I don't do that. Jeez, you would think there was more than 41 pieces the way I'm going. It's a slow day. Okay, all gone. Stash things in there if you've got any paraphernalia. Always a good place to put it. This box I just kind of don't really keep, because I'll tell you, if you leave this lying around, when the water's falling out of the sky, which it does, it just gets in there and it'll sit in these channels and it's got nowhere to go. It'll rust your tools up. I always keep metal tools in garden pots, and you can see these holes around the bottom for your drainage. Have a look in there. You're not going to lose them. It's a pot, not a box, I understand that, but the video is about unboxing. They've been unboxed and then they've been repotted. Maybe I should do gardening vids too. Anyway, that's the tool today. I'll go and put these with my other pots in the tool shed, and see you guys on the next episode. Take care.